In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can round to one decimal place. Rounding a number to one decimal place means we want our answer to have only one number after the decimal point at the end. Drawing a simple number line and having 27.1 and 27.2 on my number line, we can see that 27.19 is going to lie about here. The normal rules for rounding state that if a number is halfway or more between two numbers, it will always round up. If it's less than this halfway point, it will round down. So because the digit in the second decimal place column is more than 5, this means the number will be 27.2 when rounded to one decimal place. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Surrounding 24.84 to one decimal place, I'm actually going to look at the second decimal place digit. Because this is less than 5, I round the number 24.84 down to 24.8. Drawing a simple number line and having 24.8 and 24.9 with the halfway point 24.85, we can see that 24.84 lies below the halfway point and therefore rounds down.